Have you ever wondered that what are these weird dark spots present on the surface of sun? So today we are going to discuss this topic only, and please do subscribe my channel and please like and share this video also. So some days back while observing sun, I observed that it had some weird dark spots, and these spots are called sunspots. So what are these sunspots and where are they located? Well, sunspots basically are located on the photosphere of the sun's atmosphere, and of course they are so big that they can accommodate like one or two earths inside them. So basically it is wrong to say them as spot, but of course with the reference to sun they are still spots. So these regions are formed due to the high intense magnetic field of the sun at that particular region, and due to that high magnetic field most of the gases are not able to reach that point. So because of that, that point appears to be black. Why? Or maybe dark. Why? Because it has relatively less temperature as compared to the other part of the sun, right? So are they dangerous for us? Well, of course they are dangerous. Why? Because they can indicate the happening of a solar storm, or sometimes they are themselves the reason for a solar storm. Please subscribe my channel.